sashashonfathini rosesibhorene shashazi nganda ukuthi sifisa ukuthi nisitshele nina mhlambe enaziyo ukuthi especially abantu be-EFF they must tell us ukuthi iplani ithini ithi the whole Africa must unite in South Africa. Ilowo yini abafuna ukusitshela bona ukuthi the whole Africa must unite in South Africa. Because I think inkinga abantu ababhekene nayo ukuthi uJulius akafuna ukuthinta lama aspects sekubanje abantu abangaka bedayisa idakamizwa abokufika all these bad things akafuna ukukhuluma ngazo. Akafuna ukukhuluma ngazo ukuthi okay for the fact that illegal immigrants ukuthi okay do we legalize now like ama illegal ngiyazi wafethu this topic is a very broad topic akulula ukuthi siseklishe in just couple minutes but I think the confuse abantu ukuthi awuzizwa zonke yini juju lezi zinto esiyishoyo ngalabantu yangithola but futhi nomunye futhi angasho ukuthi uma nifuna uku-addressa ama-illegal immigrants then akubona kuphela abantu base-Afrika abama-illegal immigrants maningi nabamhlophe bama-illegal immigrants and le dakamizwa enikhuluma ngazo recently kusanda kubanjwa umuntu wase-Mexico edayisa idakamizwa so this is a very broad topic but anyway asingada khona amagama sithele video lapho khona umalema echaza khona ukuthi uma umXhosa awuvumelekile ukuphosha abantu bokufika
Mawuthi awafuni amakwerekwere. What do you mean by that? Because amaXhosa are found in Zimbabwe. Abumpofu bakhona apha eZimbabwe. So when you say asibafuni mabahambe, usho ukuthi everyone who has got a surname that sounds like Zimbabwean must go. It means the Mpofus here must also live. Abantwana bomzilikazi from the Zulu nation are found in Zimbabwe. The Tsongas in Limpopo and Guyana, they are found in Mozambique. The Basutus in Free State and parts of Matatiele, here in Eastern Cape, are found in Lesotho. They are your relatives. You've got children with them. Some of you during weekends, you even cross to go into an event across the fence. Ubuye unxilile without a passport. Mawuba soba uthi ufuna i-passport mabahambe mara ubuya eLesotho just yesterday. You are not aware. Someone has come to fool you and make you think there is a big problem for you to fight with your own neighbors. You said they take jobs. I asked the question.